It's almost unbearable to witness this tiny, innocent baby monkey being snatched away by a young juvenile who seems to treat the fragile infant like a living toy. The high-ranking youngster, drunk on dominance, drags the baby across the ground, pulls at its tiny limbs, and tosses it around with careless roughness, as though testing the limits of its fragility. The baby cries out, a high-pitched, panicked sound that should alarm any living creature with a heartbeat, but the troop barely responds as the kidnapper is a higher-ranking member. From the moment the kidnapper seizes the newborn, the baby's world shifts into pure terror. Its small body stiffens, its eyes wide with confusion as it's dragged, yanked, and tossed around like an object instead of a living being. The infant doesn't understand the power games of the troop or the brutal laws of rank. All it knows is fear. The overwhelming, consuming fear of being trapped in the hands of someone who has no idea how easily its tiny bones could break. Sometimes the juvenile drags the baby across the ground, the infant's belly scraping against dirt and leaves. Other times, he bites at the baby, not hard enough to kill, but hard enough to frighten and confuse, sending the tiny creature into spasms of trembling. Minutes feel like hours as the infant grows weaker, its cries fading into small whimpers. Still the mother waits, praying in her own animal way that the tormentor will lose interest soon. Time feels endless for the infant. The baby has no way to defend itself. It cannot run, cannot fight, cannot escape the hands that hold it. Mom is still forced to wait. Every muscle tensed, every instinct screaming, her eyes locked on her stolen child. She follows at a distance, pacing in frantic circles, torn between fear and the desperate urge to act. A lesson this tiny baby will not forget anytime soon, etched into its bones by fear, confusion, and pain. What it endured isn't just a moment of rough treatment. It's an experience that will haunt its earliest memories, shaping the way it clings, cries, and reacts to the world around it.
Hannah.
After being dragged, shaken, mishandled, and pushed far beyond what its fragile body and mind could understand, The infant is surely left traumatized, carrying a fear that lingers long after the hands that hurt it let go.